Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Port Burwell, Ontario, is a beautiful little town on the north shore of Lake Erie. Known as the Jewel of Erie's North Shore, it offers a mix of scenic beauty, history, and family-friendly activities. Port Burwell sits at the mouth of Big Otter Creek and has a population of just over 1,000 people. While it's peaceful for most of the year, summer brings life, with exciting events like the Edison Fest and the Quirky Tub Days. One of the most popular spots here is Port Burwell Provincial Park, perfect for nature lovers. It's known for its beautiful sandy beach, rolling dunes, and camping sites. This area is also a favorite for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, especially during spring and fall migrations of birds and butterflies. Port Burwell's Blue Flag Beach is another highlight, ensuring excellent water quality and clean facilities, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. If you're into boating or fishing, there are marinas here too, adding to the town's charm as a waterside destination. Whether you're here to enjoy the beach, explore the park, or dive into the area's history, Port Burwell offers a refreshing getaway for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Hope you get a chance to visit someday.
you.